Hey Frugivore, welcome back to another episode. So I know the backdrop is pretty ugly. Excuse me for that, that's what we have at this point. And also the audio might sound like I'm underwater. I'm using these AirPods, but this is the best that we can do at this point. Anyway, I wanted to check in, say hi, I am thriving, everything is going great. Well, everything except this fringe, right? Everything except the bangs. I don't know what's going on here, but anyway, that's another subject. And let me know how you are doing in the comments below. I would love to hear. And I just wanted to let you know that we're going to be doing Monday to Friday review videos of What I Ate in a Day videos. Let me know down below who you want me to review. I like to call them review videos rather than reaction videos, okay? Because that's what they really are. And the first one's going to be on Fullyrawkristina.
The links for my supplements are in the description below, along with discounts for you.
See, it's just wrong to promote supplements to people, okay? Just, not even saying to them, hey, get a blood test first, right? Get a blood test. See if you're actually deficient, or else you're going to be peeing a lot of money down the toilet, because this is expensive stuff, at the very least, or at the worst, you could be actually injuring yourself.
Okay, is she still loading up on the supplements, or is she eating more fruit? We're going to check that out today. And in other news, I get a lot of requests for one-on-one consulting. Over the years, a lot. And I've decided to open up to consulting for a limited amount of time and for a limited amount of people. So if this is something that you're interested in, having me there every day on Instagram, I'm going to give you an audio reply every single day, a couple of audio replies. If you need extra help with your diet, with losing weight, with off-grid advice, even social media, whatever, you can ask me whatever you want. We're going to have this one-on-one consulting, but only two spots are left. I've already got a few people signed up, and I don't want to overload myself, and I want to really go in deep on every individual. So yeah, if you need help, then this might be for you. All right, I'm going to put a link in the description below in a pinned comment if you want to check out my consulting services. And yeah, it's going to be for a limited amount of time at this stage. Yeah, let us know. I'd love to work with you.
Okay, so here we are on Kristina's latest What I Ate Today. And I'm going to change the aspect, the ratio like this to this soon. So hang around. It's not going to be just this tiny little screen that you're looking at now. But I wanted to comment firstly, hang on. So the title of the video is What I Ate Today plus Day in the Life, Raw Vegan 17 Years. And this just is simply not true. And I don't know why Kristina I kind of do know why she continues to say this, even though it's not true, because it's her branding, right? It's her branding. And you might be confused about what am I talking about? She's raw. She's not raw. She hasn't been raw for many, many years. And I'll explain, okay? These supplements, for instance, is just part of the cooked food that she's eating. And you know what? I don't care if she has cooked food. Go for it. Go for it, Kristina. But please be honest with your audience and transparent, and not be trying to maintain this lie. You know what I'm saying? The Sunwarrior supplements don't, a lot of them don't even claim to be raw, the ones that she's eating. And so when a food is actually cooked, but you eat it cold, that doesn't make it raw. So if it's cooked previously, it gets to your plate, and these powders obviously cold, that does not make them raw. They're cooked. It's like eating rice cold and calling it raw because it's cold. But if you eat it hot, it's cooked. You know what I'm saying? It's been previously cooked, it's cooked. And there's other things like oats over the years, soybean powder like miso paste, cashews, various nuts and seeds, and actually a bunch of different things like Sigmata teas. She's also cooked food in her Vitamix, past the raw point, so it makes it cooked. It just does. And this isn't hating on Kristina, this is just asking for transparency, right? Anyway, so I'm going to bring it if she's not. I noticed this comment here before we go on. I'm losing interest in your videos as you're always selling OSEA. This is like some skincare product she promotes all the time, or the juicer and supplements. New topics, please, and stop selling all the time. So people are getting a bit frustrated at the level of selling, and I'm not surprised because it is mega. It is a mega amount of selling that she does, as a lot of you already know. But anyway, I scrolled a little bit along here, and it's kind of out of alignment. Batch juicing, but she's in the water here, swimming. And nothing happens here. So it's just a whole lot of promotion. It talks a little bit about a land, which is great. But this is the first sign of food really here. And it says lunch and supplements. Ah, so I'm a little bit concerned to see lunch and supplements, kind of like it's like food, but we'll get onto it soon anyway.
Of time working on the property or in my garden getting work done however I can. I recently uploaded a property update video.
Okay.
I've planted over 680 fruit trees on the property. If you haven't already
Her and some help has planted over 600. That is amazing. That is fantastic. Kudos for that. Like, I am not going to be unhappy if someone is planting hundreds of fruit trees, right? That's fantastic.
seen it, please go check it out. By 11 a.m., I am ready to nourish my body with some delicious, wholesome, and nutritious living foods.
Okay, so by 11 a.m. So I think she's still doing this intermittent fasting, right? So she's not eating and she is waiting until 11 a.m. to eat. Do not do this. You are setting yourself up for long-term binging and weight gain. Look, most people are going to end up binging hardcore because they're hungry, right? Don't wait till 11. Eat when you're hungry. And she's not doing that.
My first meal of the day is usually a fresh juice or some ripe fruit. People are always telling me I eat the same things all the time, but isn't that the point? I think it's important to develop consistency. It's how we achieve long-term success. Having an eating routine can revolve around what's in season so that you're eating in accordance with nature.
I think it's great. I think it's great to have a eating routine and to be eating the similar things every day, like I do myself, like a lot of people do. So got nothing against that for sure.
It's not all about mixing it up all the time, but rather finding joy in every right bite of your healing journey. On this particular day, I enjoyed an abundance of freshly made sugarloaf pineapple juice. You can check out the
Okay, sugarloaf pineapple juice.
recent cold and flu juicing recipe I shared on my channel last week too. I'm a big fan of batch juicing at the moment, which typically means I will make anywhere from 4 to 8 jars of fresh juice so that I can drink and enjoy them for the
Yeah, I think it's great to batch juice. I even actually do it with carrot juice. I put it in the freezer and I freeze the juice, and when I bring it out, it's still delicious and nutritious. So I'm a fan of that.
mineral-rich green juice. I like to mix it up. I believe there are so many benefits to juicing different types of fruits and veggies, and the colors are so vibrant. If you're not already into juicing, juicing is a great way to consume more fruits and vegetables. I'm using a Nama J2 juicer.
Okay, so she's doing some advertising.
Looking to get a new juicer, you can get $55 off the J2.
Okay, I don't really want to, just promote some company, through Kristina. But so she's having, I don't know if she's having all of these. She's batch juicing.
I cannot recommend it enough. I mean, look at how delicious this fresh juice looks.
Oh yeah, pineapple juice is like, so good. I am a fan of that. I think it's lovely. So I think she maybe is having one of these jars.
No preservatives, no added sugars, just straight up juice. It's nutritious and delicious, and it does a body good.
Yeah.
Let's talk briefly about supplements for a moment.
Oh no. Okay. Let's not talk about that. Okay, but we'll show it. So she had this pineapple juice. Pineapple, it was probably around maximum 400 calories.
I do supplement, and I like to use Sunwarrior's proteins, liquid vitamins, liquid minerals, omega-3s, and magnesium. They're liquid vitamins.
Okay, so I'm not going to advertise Sunwarrior through Kristina, right? But what I can say about supplements is if you can prove that you have a deficiency of something and you're struggling to meet it through nutrition, then okay, supplements might be a good idea. But a lot of the time, these things are actually dangerous. People overload themselves and then they cause themselves other issues, right? Which isn't smart. And a lot of these are cooked, so I don't know why she thinks they're raw in any way. But yeah, I don't recommend unless you have it proven that you have a deficiency. Supplements do have their place sometimes, but nutrition first.
Vitamins include vitamin B12 as well as vitamin D3. I also use Global Healing Center's vitamin B12 and D3.
Okay. By the way, I don't do any D3 or anything like that. Yes, B12 I do.
Blood check. The links for my supplements are in the description below along with discounts for you.
See, it's just wrong to promote supplements to people, okay? Just, not even saying to them, hey, get a blood test first, right? Get a blood test. See if you're actually deficient, or else you're going to be peeing a lot of money down the toilet because this is expensive stuff at the very least, or at the worst, you could be actually injuring yourself, overloading yourself, especially with these certain minerals and what is it that we talked about it before, but there's a lot of things that I've talked about before if you want to look at my previous videos, but yeah, it's very irresponsible to be pushing supplements to people when you don't even know their nutritional status, like through a blood test or anything.
I love to use Sunwarrior's collagen building protein peptides in my smoothie bowls. I probably leave about an hour or two in between eating my first and second meal of the day. My smoothie bowl includes frozen bananas, dragon fruit, coconut water, Sunwarrior.
Yeah. And that's great. You don't need to put the powder in there. It's already fantastic, you know. The smoothie, the bananas, the dragon fruit, fantastic. Don't have to put in protein powder. It's really surprising because you would think Kristina was like educated on nutrition, but obviously she's really, really lacking because she thinks you need to consume this protein powder, or it's just a good way to, you know, make more money for her.
Here's Tahitian vanilla, super greens, and love. I like to add fresh berries, cacao nibs, and granola as toppings.
Okay, so I would say this bowl has about, it could be a 700-800, maybe, it's hard to say, but yeah, around that. And so she's maybe around 1,000 at this point.
I usually eat my smoothie bowls outside with Coco and Simba. Sometimes this is a bit impossible because
that's very cute. Okay.
My dinners lately have been fresh garden salad.
So if consulting isn't something that you can take advantage of at this point, then definitely check out my books. You can learn all about this lifestyle, a fruit-based lifestyle, in the Raw Till 4 diet. It's a full diet guideline book with heaps of recipes, over 50 recipes. Go Fruit Yourself, and My Naked Lunchbox. Okay, these are all available in ebook form. A link is in the description below. And just get started today. You know, this is the lifestyle that is going to change your life. I've lost over 40 pounds, healed so much illness, and yeah, I'm not going back. Fruit-based is the way.
I've been making my pumpkin turmeric dressing on repeat, and it's become my new thing to dance in the kitchen while making my dinner. Whether I'm listening to Shakira, jazz, or simply...
So we're looking at this massive salad here, and I will agree that is a massive salad hit. All right, but that's not always great. And see, she's got this kale in there, and I really don't recommend you eat kale. Okay, I am not a big believer in it being beneficial for you. It might be high in certain minerals and nutrients, but that's not always a good thing for the human body, all right? And this salad dressing is where the calories are coming from, so it ends up being quite a lower carb dish for that amount of volume, right?
The birds outside, my intention is to be present with myself and my food. It's all a blessing. Sometimes I'll even start dancing with...
I cannot believe she eats that much salad. Honestly, you know, I've been in the raw vegan movement for, 16 years, and I am shocked. I am shocked with that. It's just surprising because the lack of fruit in her day, and some of you might be like, oh, she had that juice and it's still not very much fruit. She's still going for this low carb kick and lower calorie. She's probably for the day getting, around 1,600 calories. It's not great. It's not enough, even though it's living, bright, vibrant food, except for the powders.
Coco. Apparently, Coco likes to bachata. My dinner salad recipe was also just featured and shared in one of my recent YouTube videos if you'd like to go check it out.
Okay, so it's just a lot of vegetable matter, as you can see there. And the body likes fiber, right? But it doesn't do the best with huge amounts of salad. It just doesn't. We are frugivores. We are primarily fruit eaters. Don't overload your body with the salad. It's not going to fuel you correctly. It's going to not be the best on digestion either.
It's all about eating the rainbow. If you're looking for a super anti-inflammatory...
Okay, so here is her pumpkin turmeric dressing. Whoa, 2 to 3 tablespoons of pumpkin seed butter. Right, so she's got a bit of fat going on there, and that's where the calories would come from primarily. She's got a whole teaspoon of... Okay, so a whole teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt is... Yeah, it's a decent amount of salt, right? Because if you take that out, it's not going to be too exciting. It's not going to taste too good. So she's getting a whack of sodium.
Creamy, and healthy salad dressing that stores well and will go with any dish. This one's for you. I will say though, it's kind of strong, so maybe hold on the garlic if you're not used to it. I love lots of flavor in my salads. I've been enjoying the salad nearly every night, and I hope that you give it a try and that you love it too. Thank you all so much for...
Okay, so that is Kristina's what she ate today, and I'm disappointed. I am disappointed. Always happy to see fruit. Always happy to see salad as well, but there's not enough fruit, and there's too much powders going on. Too much of this cooked powder. I just... It's very disappointing, and she's promoting it willy-nilly to her audience, and it can be dangerous for them, and it's disappointing. But anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to go fruit yourself.